नमस्कार दोस्तों, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारा चैनल टेक्नोहैक्स और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट टेक्निकल वीडियोस सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Before we go into the video, please do not skip this video. It's a very long video. It has a real purpose. Do not skip it.
Hey you, yes you looking at the screen watching this video. I want to thank you for clicking on this video and watching this video. So please watch till end to learn a lot about hacking. So starting off with the topic, what actually hacking is. Hacking is a way through which we get access to an unauthorized system. And hacking is not something that is illegal. Hacking is illegal if you are a black hat hacker who does things for bad purposes, and here we will teach you ethical hacking, which is actually white hat hacking, and we will tell you how you can help people with your hacking skills. And these skills are actually very demanding in these days because the cyber world is growing a lot day by day. So in this course we will teach you about the basics of hacking and the advanced hacking with tools provided by us. So for that you don't need to have a lot of material with you. You just need to have a basic idea about computing, and not a bit advanced knowledge about computing, and you need to know what you are doing and keep your eyes open throughout the videos that we are gonna post, because the way we are going to use the scripts and all, you have to look everything and then you can only do this. So hacking involves a lot of steps in actual. So the steps are as follows. First we do the reconnaissance and we get the information about the target. Then we scan the target and get the vulnerabilities out of the target, so we can actually perform the hacking. Then we perform the actual hack and we gain access to the computer. We take all the data and then we maintain an access to it, so we can create a backdoor and get into it once we have done our job, and once we need a lot of information after we got that. So covering tracks is also important. So for this tutorial of hacking on our channel, you will not need a big PC. A computer which would be required would be having at least 1 GB of RAM, and that's it. Just 1 GB of RAM, you can afford it. And you need an Android device for this course. We would prefer actually an Android device which has Android 5 and above. That means Android Lollipop and above, so you can run the Linux commands and scripts that we are going to give you. So for doing this thing you need to have an Android phone. And
So guys, I'm actually re-recording this video because the actual footage that I recorded was very long. It was of 19 minutes, so I'm going to shorten things up and tell a brief about everything. So this is an application known as TechnoHaxx. We are going to need this for terminal emulation on our Android. So what is a terminal? A terminal is a command prompt type of black window inside a Linux operating system. So we use it to run our hacking tools. So for running the hacking tools we will need a terminal, and this is our terminal. So let's enter into it. So first of all you need to type in apt update. So this would do the updating thing. So it has updated me and I have to type apt upgrade. So it would upgrade everything, or you can simply type apt update and upgrade. So and what it does, it actually uses and operator to do two things at a time. So like this we can do both the things at once. So first of all we will need pkg install python 2. So what is Python 2? So Python 2 is a Python, what it is actually, it is a Python program that actually helps us to run other Python programs inside a terminal. So press enter, it would get installed. For you it will take at least 2 to 3 minutes for every step. Remember that, 2 to 3 minutes. Okay. So you need to have an internet connection on. As you can see, I have one. Wait, let me do something so I can show you everything. Okay, here it is. So actually what I am going to do now, I have installed Python, so I would type pkg install git. So what is git? Git is an application of terminal that helps us to download things from GitHub. What is GitHub? GitHub is actually a simple website of hackers which contains all the tools related with hacking and all the tools that are in Kali Linux, and Kali Linux is an operating system used by hackers. So you can just download all the tools on your Android device and do hacking right from here anywhere in the world. You don't have to carry your computer or any pen drive or anything. You can do simply with your Android device. We will teach you how to do that. So I have installed pkg install git. So have I done it? Let me type again pkg install git. So it will install my git. Then I have to install pkg install php. So for installing any package, pkg means package, install means install, and this thing means the package which we are installing. It is like a Windows software. So we have done it and it has installed php also. So it would take a few seconds for you. Then you have to type termux setup storage, and then you have to give permissions for storage, and I think IPL is going on, but I don't care. So then you have to actually give termux the permissions to write in your phone. Then you will be able to use all the tools and all the resources of your phone. The video would be late, I know that, so just stay put and watch the whole video. So it would give the permissions to do that. Now what is GitHub and how to actually download it? I have told you already, GitHub is a website to download tools, and to download tools we will actually need to type here like we are going to install Red Hawk this time, Red Hawk GitHub. So open it in a desktop site. This is mandatory. Open the Red Hawk thing and then go here and press clone. You can do it to other tools also. It is made by this guy, I can't pronounce it, so I won't waste my time here, and I would type git clone. So git clone actually clones that thing into your system. Then press enter. It says it already exists because I have already installed it. I would type cd to change my directory. cd is a command to actually get inside of folders and get out of the folders. So cd is a command to do that. We can type ls to list everything that is inside that folder. So I have my Red Hawk right here. So to get inside Red Hawk, I would type cd red_hawk. And remember one thing, Linux is case sensitive. It won't take a spelling mistake. Okay, so be careful while you type ls. So most of the time typing ls is the best thing to do because it will tell you what is inside your folder and then you can do anything. So as you know, we have already installed php. So if we have not installed php, then we will type pkg install php. So this is actually another tab. This is the first tab. So I would type here to run anything, like we have to run rhawk.php. This is the actual exe file that you know, the Windows system exe file it has. So we will type php rhawk.php. So this will run the php file. So this is the command that is used to run something of its same type. Like I will write Python here if the file is of Python type. I would press enter. It has turned on Red Hawk. So a shout out to you if you have made it this far to the video, and this is a tool that would help us to gather information about our target. So to get out, we have to type Control C. Hey, wait a minute, we don't have Control C on our keyboard. Damn, we don't have Control C on our keyboard. What can we do? What can we do? So what are we going to do? We are actually going to press our volume down plus C. So it's going to be, I'm pressing the volume down key on my phone physically. Okay, I'm pressing it physically and then I'm typing C. it would give this, and we have that dollar sign. Then we can type cd and get into our main directory. We will type ls. See, we have got this thing. I will review all of these tools and tell you about new tools. Every single video would be related to hacking from now onwards. So keep your eyes peeled to what are happening inside these videos. So what are we going to do this time? As well, there are some notifications with me. I won't care about that. So if you have learned this far, then go download the app and try it out. If you try it out, you will get a lot of things. So let's do some fun. We will install pkg install install sl. It would install the sl package. It is a very good package. You can do things like this. Damn, we got a train. See, we got a train in here. Right, you can ride the hacking train. So bye bye for now, and in the next video I would show you some actual hacking thing like running how to make a virus. It would be our next video. So bye bye for now.